All right, back again, and I am just going to be working on this musket quietly, um, showing you stuff. So far from the work we did earlier today, we're now able to flex more, but we're all going to need to basically run the heat gun. Yeah, we're just trying to get some of this stuff out. Yeah. Just trying to. Oof. Maybe I'll just. Yeah, like right here. Ugh. Yeah. So, oops. All right. Ugh. Let me see something. We'll just go more. See right here? All this stuff coming out from the heat gun. You can see the crack getting nice and widened out right here. We're trying to do this. All right, hit back to 1 and 2. You can see that flexing. Oh, wait. You want to make sure it's soft. I'm only using a little bit of pressure. Only a little bit. Only a little bit. Now we're stopping right here. You know what? Oh, wait, I think. All right. Now, instead of just yanking, because I'm almost there, this is what we're going to do. Let me see if I could get this. Now, we'll move this back a little. Yeah. So, right now, we have this. So, what we're going to do is add a little bit more denatured alcohol. We're going to try and just slowly get it out. We don't want any ripping of the wood to the best of our ability. So I got a cheapo chip brush. You know, these are one of these cheap Johns you get at the store. Throw some more rubbing alcohol in there. No, it's not. It's denatured alcohol. Sorry. Let's try to get this in there. I know. It's like, oh, you're almost there. But you know, the almost there is almost there. We didn't come this far to come this far and make a big mistake, because this is not my musket. I have a few muskets to repair, and we're going from the most time consuming to the least time consuming and back and forth. Now you see these little things? You could get these little like Chinese trays. I don't know what they call them in other places. I'm just saying they're for Chinese food. You could probably get them, you know, at, let's see. You can probably get them at like Costco or something. Oh yeah, this is coming apart real good. This is done. All right. All right, we lubed it up. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Now the fun begins. Okay. All right. Look at that. Look at that. See? It's still covered in glue. Now we're going to have to clean this glue. This is going to take a minute. Okay? Now let's look at this side. Yeah, kind of a clean break. Kind of. I'm going to probably have to do some serious wood repair. But we're going to get this. I'm going to show you guys the whole process. The whole kit and caboodle. That went a lot faster than I thought. So think about it. Maybe 2 hours tops. Maybe less. I don't know. I basically worked on it while I was filming. And I did like maybe an hour of work off camera. Maybe that. I'm not 100% on how much time I spent. But I thought, oh, this would be a good video. You know, because I got to get it done anyway. So all I did, gentle. Rule number 1, gentle, gentle, gentle and slow. So we got that piece done. Now, let's see something. See if I can get some of this. Oh, yeah, look at all the... Yeah, this glue is no good. Ugh, oofta. Got a lot of ooftas right here. So, I might take a steel brush. Actually, I might let this dry a little. Ooh, this is coming right off with my finger. Oof. All right, let's see if we can bust out the brush and get this going if I have it right next to me. I was not expecting it to go this quick. And I don't want to stop the show right away, but yeah, use the denatured alcohol, heat gun, and I put some boiling water on it at first just to like get the wood to swell and do that. Like not too much. I just used the kettle's worth and poured it a little bit into the places so I could get that glue heat hot enough. I mean, maybe I could have probably just used just the denatured alcohol and the heat gun for real. Like I didn't need to probably do that. But this is going to definitely be a lot of work still. But you know what? It's not going that bad. It broke up pretty easily, so I'm kind of happy about that. Yeah, we're gonna see. We're just gonna scrapey poo right here. All right. Oof. Gonna try and get this. See? Yeah, let's do some heat gun. Ow! Yeah, be careful with the heat gun. See? You can see. It's kind of hard to do two things at once. Let's see. Woof. All right. Well, thanks guys for watching, and remember, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So, thank you.